Hi guys, today I'll disclose you the secrets of that how I cracked UGC NET hardly with the preparation of 14 days with my masters. I will also give you tips in the end of the video. I have cleared my UGC NET with 99.45 percentile along with my master. So try to crack the NET or GRF along with your master as the master subject would fresh in your mind at that time. The second thing is that in approx 65% you can easily crack the UGC NET. So just target to get 65% approx and you can easily clear the NET. The third thing, as there are two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is journal for all the student and paper 2 is subjective. As per your subject, it may be law, it may be any other subjects. So just recognize which paper needed more practice. For example, I belongs to law field and I was preparing for the judiciary. 40% of the syllabus of a judiciary covers in the UGC NET and 20% comes from the master subjects. Some guesses also there. So I was sure if I give uh, only thorough look or only read at once the remaining subject, this paper will be easily cracked. So I did not purchase any book for the paper law papers, that is subject 2, paper 2, that is paper 2. The fourth thing, I recognize that my paper 1 need more practice, as I was not in touch with the maths or reasoning etc. for the last 7 years. But I did not want to take the chance. So even for 10 days, I purchased a book of Upkar publication and prepare it for 10 days. For math, reasoning, I practiced approx 15 questions on each topic, and for the remaining, I took a look. In 10 days, I did not prepare for the English, as in 10 days after preparing the above all the subjects, there was very less time, and in that time, my English could not be improved from that level which I was having. I also attempted the mock test given on the testing agency site. It is very useful for you to attempt the paper, NET paper or GRF paper. Although I took photo states for 5-6 years papers from one of my friend, but I did not have the time to revise it, to see it. You can revise if you have the time. So in short, there must be proper planning. Try to crack it with your master. Recognize your weakness which restricts you to get 65% marks. If you have a command on 60% of your subjects, then you can only read out the remaining part. Then need not to go for cramming etc. You only just read out the remaining part. Next, focus on the paper first, as it needs the practice to achieve the target of 65%. Attempt full paper as there is no negative marks. If you have a time, then practice MCQs last but not least. Do not forget to attempt the mock test given at the site of testing agency. Thank you.